Ciao, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. And then if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. That will mean a lot to me. As usual, guys, you can find me in all over social medias. I'm on Instagram, Facebook group, and Pinterest. All the links are listed in the info bar just down below. Today is another video. It's the card number 2 of my altered playing card series. You saw me making this last week. It's a shaker card, and today I'll show you how I altered the Queen of Hearts. Ta-da! So it's a bit of cliche, but I have used the Alice in Wonderland theme, of course, because it's the Queen of Hearts. I have just put my own touch. I wanted this card to be very wow, very dramatic with the contrast of colors, and I'll show you in just a second how I made it. Keep watching the tutorial, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay, I've got all bits and pieces that I want to use for this card. So I've got this is very old Vogue. Don't even know the oh, it's here. That's January 2021, and I've got, as I was, kind of flipping it through, I saw this picture and I thought the Queen of Hearts, she's going to have her face. I want this card to be very glamorous, but in a fashion way. So extremely colorful, extremely fashion in a way that is a lot of colors, a lot of black and deep colors. So I have an idea in my head, and yeah, I'm sure sometime when you have an idea, don't know about you guys, sometimes when you got a picture in your head what you want to do, and then you start doing things, you ended up doing something completely different. So it's slightly bigger than I thought, but it doesn't matter. So we glue her up. I should have filled my glue up before start filming actually, but never mind. And silly me, I put more glue where I shouldn't really be putting it, but never mind. So that's that. So in my head, what I want to do, everything, so we're going to keep this rectangle there. Let me see if it fits in the camera. Yeah, so we're going to keep this rectangular bits, and we're going to do bits and bobs, but all this is going to be black. So I'm going to use either some paint or some markers. See, I want to be very dramatic, very full of very contrast. Also, I've got this is the card some of my friends give me. They give me some cards so I can recycle them, because sometimes I take bits and bobs from cards and create my own cards. And what I like about this card is, as you can see, it's 3D, so you've got the butterfly that actually pop out. This is a gorgeous happy birthday card. So I've got another butterfly there, and that's it, I think. And then I've got this gorgeous, is that a lily? I'm not the best with horticulture, if you want to say it like that. So, but yeah. So what I'm thinking, we're going to cut this around, and this will be the dress of our Queen of Hearts. Of course, I don't want the happy birthday message, but I want like a little border. So let's see if it works. Now, because it's a really thick cardstock, I had to cut that little flowers, but never mind. I found this sort of project, like collage, stick and glue project, very relaxing for me. I really like it because I can just, and now I'm talking to you guys, so it is a bit different because I need to concentrate and talk. But yeah, sometimes it's just nice, you know, sit down and do magazine collages and stuff like that. So, mind you, yes, I can probably cut this bit here without killing the butterfly. Perfect. Literally, look guys, it's perfect. I might have to lose this butterfly there, but I'm going to cut around without killing the wings. There. Perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to glue this now. I'm so excited for this series. I don't know about you guys, but I do like altering things. And I think altering playing cards, especially this size, is going to be very fun because you've got such a big surface to play with. So we put that there. The only thing I need to figure it out, which I haven't thought of that yet, is how am I going to store those cards? So I need to get, because they're literally slightly smaller than an A4, I need to, excuse me, I need to get either like an A4 folder or using, do you know, the plastic wallets into an A4, but because a lot of projects are more like 3D. So yeah, so that's kind of the dress. Okay, so what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to add, I've got this from Stamperia. This is called the Alice, the die cuts Alice. Now, you saw me, guys, using those when I did my box card, and I love it. It's on my desk all the time. I love it. So this is a card that literally flat, put into an envelope, and then you open up and you stand like this. In case you missed it, guys, I will put the link in here. So please go and check it out. It's a really, really fun project. I love box card because they've got like the 3D dramatic effect. Okay, so what we're going to do, let me get rid of this rubbish there. We're going to put some bits in this rectangle that reminds us of Alice. So definitely going to use the rabbit. Definitely the Mad Hatter. We definitely need Alice. We need something for a tea. So we maybe use that. We got the rabbit. I think that is it for now, because I don't want to, yeah, I don't want to overkill it. So I just need a few bits that remind us. Oh, I might get that. I love this. This is huge. Absolutely huge. I bought this on Amazon. Very, very good value for money. Right, so let's glue them up. So Alice, I think she's going to come. Can you see it? Am I in shots? Yeah. So Alice probably gonna come in the bottom there. Now I've got, this is actually a, they came from a magazine. It was like an impossible card kit from a magazine. So you've got these different papers, and I've got one more in there. So I might use some of these. Yeah, I might use a tiny bit. Nothing's got to be very precise, so just need to kind of like a little curve in there. Yeah, so that's gonna go there. It's more like a chat and talk. I hope you like these sort of videos when I can just literally chat away with you guys while I'm doing things. If you don't like it, let me know, because at least I know I don't bore you in the future. I might just speed it up and you know, pull up, yeah, high speed and put some music. Now I really like him to come out. In fact, I might glue this after I paint it black. He's gonna come there. Put some glue. Yesterday, so I'm filming this on the same day that you will see this video, which doesn't happen very often because I film my videos way in advance. So yesterday was the 27th, which was Jamie's birthday. Last year I've done a series for his birthday and I show you how I made his cake and his presents. Now this year, unfortunately, I didn't have any time to do anything. So we had his mum and dad coming over last night for dinner. Made paella, and I made a really nice cake. In fact, I will put the picture on the screen now so you guys can see it. He's obsessed with Terry's chocolate orange. So he wants as a cake that it was chocolate orange. So I made, it was actually really nice. And it was a really nice paella as well. Okay, so what am I gonna do, guys? I'm going to paint, or I need to find out if I got any marker, the rest of the card black, and then I come back with you guys in just a moment. Okay, guys, so done. I have used my black Sharpie. I just literally almost got over my finger, but never mind. It's almost drying. What am I going to do in just a moment? I just want to wait to dry completely. So we're gonna stick our mat in here. Really like it behind that gigantic flower. Oops. And then I'm going to cover, not cover, but distress the edge of the card. It just fits beautifully, literally, like just perfect. Let me just press this. Yeah, all the edges of the card with Gilda, as Michelle called it, is the Gideo Pebeo, as you know, my favorite golden wax. I'm going to do that in just a moment. I'm hoping that it's completely dry. So I just use my finger, as you can see. Don't worry about using a brush, because everything with let me start this size first because I've done this first. If you use a brush with wax, the brush basically will absorb all the wax and you're just gonna waste it all. So, and while I'm here, she's gonna get, I hope you can see it, am I in shot? Yeah. She's gonna have some on her hair as well. You just literally need tiny bit, tiny bit, just to get that finishing touch. You see, you just literally need next to nothing. I only use like tap, and that is it. Let me just clean my finger. I always have a pack of wipes next to my desk, so I can just literally, every time I do something, go and clean it. Right, last thing I want to do, but I don't know if it's gonna work, is, again, it was in my head, I was planning to do it, but I don't know if it's gonna work. I just got these playing cards from Poundland. Of course, they were £1 each, so I use it for crafting. I want to use them just to add them as a background, but I'm going to glue them and then cut them. So maybe use the, no, not the joker. I should get another one in there maybe. And should we get another black? Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I might stick that. Right, I'm gonna stick them and cut them down, and I will be with you guys in just a moment. Guys, so finished, done. What you guys think? I really like it. Now it's going to dry completely, and when it's gonna dry, I might just spray some hairspray. I won't bother with Mod Podge to create a seal because a lot of elements like the butterflies are actually 3D, so I don't want to touch that. But yeah, I like because you got that sort of glare, so everything is shiny because the Sharpie's got that, you know, be like plasticky things on a plastic surface, give it that that shine. But I really like it. It's actually come out better than I thought it would be. Okay guys, so card number 2 of my altered playing card series. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me the usual thumbs up because I will support the video doing well. If you're not already, guys, please subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. As usual, find me on... I'm on Instagram, I've got Facebook group, and I'm on Pinterest. So find me on all over social medias. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until the next time, stay safe and well. Bye!